In this tutorial we will show you the step-by-step process of converting MHT files to PDF format, using the BitRecover MHT Converter Wizard. To install our MHT to PDF conversion tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. This tool provides users with select file or select folder options. Users can choose either one of the available options. Select the folder containing the MHT files you wish to convert, and then click on OK. Select Saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Users have the option to save the files in other formats such as PSD, MSG, EML, PDF, and many others. Let's select the PDF option for this tutorial. The file naming saving options allows users to select a name format for the output file when converting it. Optimized conversion refers to the process of enhancing the conversion of MHT files to other formats, such as PDF, HTML, and other document types. Check or uncheck it accordingly. Simply click the Convert button and select the destination folder for the converted data to be saved. After selecting the destination folder, the conversion process will begin. Once the conversion is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the conversion was successful. Click OK to open the destination folder and access the newly converted files. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.